For me personally, as a chef, I found really of a challenge to find like the lesser known products, to do something with that and just to create something memorable. For me, that's like an amazing challenge to do. But we're really trying to focus also on the local ingredients. To give you an example, one of my favorite vegetables is beetroot, because I've really grown up with that, and I just love the freshness, the earthy flavor, like how pure it is, the color. And it's very, very nutritious as well. We smoke it, we make a puree, we make a powder just to like highlight how beautiful a vegetable can be that's locally grown here. People love good stories behind dishes. It has to look very attractive, because in the Netherlands we also say, like literally translated from Dutch, it says the eye also wants something. You know, it's not only the mouth that wants to eat the dish. As a chef, personally, like I don't have secrets. I can give you a recipe. I've no problem. It just depends what you're doing with it. Because I'm not ashamed to say like, oh, I learned this recipe from this chef in Belgium or in France. For example, like everybody has their own signature, like their own handwriting. Same goes for a chef. I can give my recipes to someone else. 100% they will do something else with that.